Let's talk about Jura Impressa F50. Programmable quantity of water for coffee. Programmable temperature. 7-language display. Cup illumination. Programmable coffee grinds quantity of 5/16 grains. Aroma Select. The F50 has 2 aroma levels and 2 temperature settings and gives you a choice between a total of 36 different varieties. 6-setting cone grinding mill. Integrated rinse, cleaning and decalcification program. Option of installing Claris filter cartridges to prevent scale buildup and improve the taste. Steam nozzle providing steam or hot water. Option of using ground coffee beans for example brewing decaffeinated drinks. I'm really surprised that after 10 years this is still grinding beans and serving my daily coffee. It grumbles a bit now and again and occasionally sounds like it's about to give up the ghost when emptying the grounds, but I love it to bits and would highly recommend the Jura brand of machines. I was a bit worried spending $700 on a coffee machine, but I have perfect coffee every day with no effort. I have only had to clean it twice in the 6 months I have owned it, and cleaning is a case of putting a tablet in the top. The tablets and water filters are quite expensive and I go through a packet of coffee beans every week. I drink 4 or 5 cups a day, so it is not cheap but cheaper than coffee shops. I did wonder what I was doing spending so much on a coffee machine, but I haven't regretted it one bit. So easy to use, perfect coffee with just the push of a button. Needs cleaning once in a while, but instructions come on screen when it's time. There are lots of different settings, coarseness of grind, strength of coffee, size of cup, temperature etc., so you can make sure you get the coffee that's just right for you. Great way to start the day with a perfect cup of coffee.